Hello, girlfriend. And today I'm gonna play some more Angry Birds Skywars. So we're on the next level. Yeah, this one. Okay, so let's continue on the good guy side. So I think I'm the little kid. Yeah, the little kid dude. Let's see if I can do this with just one birdie. Oh man, I forgot what it looked like. Oh. Okay, I don't think that was supposed to happen. Okay, let's retry that. Okay, so he's all the way up there, so I have to launch you super high. Okay, come on. Is that it? Okay. Oh, get that dude. Oh, wait, I could have... Oh, wait. I could have done it that way, too. I could have hit the TNT. That could have been really easy. Go after him. Boom. Over there. Hit the TNT. Oh, yeah, there you go. You fall off, you're dead. Okay, they're dead. You killed the piggies. No one likes pigs. Okay, never mind. Everyone likes pigs. Oh, please get me a 3 stars. 3? Yeah, I always get 3 stars in this level. Well, not I don't. Okay. Okay. Whoa, this is gonna be a tough one. I think I have to use all my birdies. No, come on. That dumb. Oh no, I didn't mean to press that. What? Oh, stop. Okay, press that. Okay. So I have to hit the TNT in the bottom down there, but that's gonna be really tricky. Here, go down. No. Hit the TNT. Come on, why does it nobody hit the TNT? It's making me sad. Oh yeah. Okay, hit him. Oh. Is that it? Oh, come on. No. No, this is easy. Oh, this is so. This level seems so difficult. Ah. These are my birdies for this one. Okay, there we go. Boom. They're dead. Oh yeah. Get out of there, and you're dead up there. You loser! No birds survived. I still see my birdies. 2 are there, 1 was there, but now he died. Those 2 are gonna disappear. Yep, they disappear. Okay. 1 star was not good. But I didn't know what to do. Oh god, dragons. Well, that seems lame. No offense, Blue Dragon, but that dragon game seems lame. Made sense. Okay, aim for the bottom. Okay, I think I'm supposed to hit him and then let Mother Nature do its work. No? Okay. Wait, maybe we're supposed to... Oh, I think we're supposed to hit the thing at the top. Maybe. No! Maybe we are. I think that's holding it. Right there? Oh, never mind. Oh, we can't bring it down. Oh, yes, there we go. Almost all of them are dead. Oh, okay, he's dead. Oh, man, that one almost died. Come on. Yes! Oh! Big explosion on TNT. Okay. Why did you make that sound? You made a doo-doo, doo-doo. Join the pork side? Gracias. That means thank you. Okay. Oh, they're going down. Must get to them in that planet. Oh, looks like they were here. I see their feathers. Are we gonna be you? Who are you? I don't even know your name. Okay, that's pretty impressive. Oh, them poor birdies. Okay. Think we're gonna maul through them. Wait, I think his name is Death Maul. Yeah, I think that's the name, Death Maul. I think. I don't know. I don't know a lot about Star Wars, okay? I'm not a Star Wars expert. Okay, let's see. I think I'm supposed to hit the wood planks on the second one. So then, what? Come on, those two are not there. That should have been an instant kill. Come on. Hiya! I don't want to waste all my birdies. Let's see if we can do it with just one birdie. I mean, one piggy. Birdie. I'm confused. Okay. Are you serious? That took down nobody. I just broke down the wood plank. Okay. Here it is. And that did nothing to the other one. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's get back to killing them birdies. Okay, blur! It's that awkwardness. Well, that was embarrassing because I killed nobody with that birdie. Okay, I'm gonna use two birdies. I mean, two piggies. Oh my god, I keep saying birdies because I'm about Angry Birds. Serious, bro. So I still have one more clan. Let's see if we can make it onto the 8. Hiya! Boom! Losers! Going down. Oh, please tell me we won. Yes, we won. Oh, please give me 3 stars. I just started. Are you serious? Get 2 stars. It was the first level, bro. That is pretty rude. I get Darth Vader's. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. That was... Okay, I think I'm supposed to aim for the coins and then bring down their dumb little... Go down! Oh god. It's like an airplane crash, but except it's not an airplane. It's actually, I don't know. But the good thing is they're bones. I like bones. I like to chew on them. Why is there turtle bones everywhere? I'm gonna eat my way out of here. That's how wolves do it. If there was bones everywhere, I'm gonna eat myself. Okay. Oh, bro, see that little birdie down there? And he's gonna get squished by those bones, bro. Okay. I'll never see the day a birdie killed another birdie. Hiya! And boom! Oh, he's dead. He's dead. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Piggy. Birdie! Mr. Piggy. And Birdie and whatever. I don't know. Are you serious? I threw too weak. Okay. Aim for the. There we go! Boom! Okay, not bad. Okay, I don't think I'm supposed to aim for him. I think I'm supposed to kill one of them. And then go, hiya! Nope, that did. Wait. Oh. Oh, okay. Get the heck over. No, I did it too late. No. I did it too late. I didn't do it on time. I did it too late. Oh, come on. What? Okay, get me out of here. Thank you. Okay. Bro, yeah. Are you serious? Okay, maybe I'm supposed to hit the bottom parts. Like the wood planks somewhere. Okay. Better dodge those. There we go. Did it. Okay. Not gonna make it there over in time. Yeah. Die, you! Go over there. Go to the other side. No, over there, Serious. Whoa. Serious. Milking cereal. Yeah. That's how ninjas do it these days. Yeah, ninjas. Yeah. Okay. 4 more. I'm on level 3. I was on level 3. Serious milking cereal. Oh, there's a birdie hiding there. I'm gonna get your bow. So easy to get the birdies this way. Why don't the game be like this? Just tap on the screen. Kill the birdies. There's more birdies. Yep, they're hiding. Can we kill the bones? Oh, we can. We can break the bones. That's too OP. I like the song in the dark side. It's way much better than the good guy side. You know. Okay, all the birdies are dead. I killed them. I demolished them. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video of me playing Angry Bird Star Wars. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!